Hello friends, this is Roy. I welcome to Tanu-Tinni video studio. Today we will see how to install gwbasic. Gwbasic is a very primitive programming language mostly taught in primary school levels to increase the logic and aptitude of a small kid. So let's get started. gwbasic is a DOS based software, so we need DOS based platform. So we need to install two softwares to run it. So let's see how we can install it. In this video you will see a link given in the description box. Please open the link and you will find the two softwares which I have provided in the drive. So just download this software. This is gwbasic software, and download this DOSBox software here. You will get the zip file in the download folder, and please unzip the folder, so you will get these two softwares over here. Just click on this software and copy the software and paste in the C drive over here. Once it is pasted, let's install the second one. If you install the software, the similar will get installed. Once it is installed, and this has been installed in our computer, and we can see this icon in the desktop. To run this gwbasic software, we need to run this DOSBox emulator first. So this is the DOS platform. Here we have to type the following commands. First we have to write mount, M-O-U-N-T, mount space C colon, then again space C colon slash gwbasic. Then we have to press enter. Then we'll get this message: drive C is mounted as local directory. Then Z colon. Here we have to write C colon. Then we will be on the C drive. Then just we have to simply write gwbasic, and we have to press the enter key, and this window of gwbasic will appear. Thank you friends. This is how I have shown you how to install and run gwbasic on a DOS platform on the Windows 10 operating system. This you can run on Windows 7, Windows XP platform as well. Thank you. Have a nice day.